What's going on, guys? Alex here and welcome to Monster Motors. So today is a very exciting day for me. We are here at Rockingham. I'm here with Alex and you probably recognise him. He's the one with the A45 AMG. And yeah, so we're here to do a Learn to Drift day. So I've been looking forward to this for absolute ages. I've been wanting to sort of learn the basics and everything like that for drifting before I take my car out. So basically, we've got a 3-hour session with one-to-one drifting. So we've got an instructor teaching us everything for 3 hours straight of driving. So it's going to be sick. So we're up at Rockingham. It's going to be awesome. Hopefully I can set up the GoPro inside the car, as I forgot to bring my own helmet with a GoPro mount on it. But fingers crossed, they should be pretty good. So let's just head over there, as there's some already drifting out there. So let's see if we can catch some footage of that and then go and sort of sign on and get started with it. I can't wait to start drifting. I think we're using S14s for this, so it's very similar to what my car is. So hopefully I should be able to sort of get good, well, not good, but learn how to do it properly with these cars, and then transfer those skills over to the 15 and just sort of like find it quite easy and smooth to do. So let's head on over there and see what they're doing. Right, so I lost the little bit of footage that went after this, but basically the car I was drifting in was an S14, naturally aspirated, so it was great to learn in. But yeah, my drifting instructor, her name was Jules, she was freaking awesome, so let's just crack on straight into with drifting, and yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Keep your leg flat when you're building the revs up, and then dump it completely when you put the revs up to where you need. Try and do a full lap before you change direction. Yeah. Right? So go this way to start. That's it, just stop there, build the revs up, turn the steering all the way this time. That's it, back it back off. It's the same principle, but just in opposite. Yeah. Alright. Very good. Do you reckon you can do it around a cone?
I can try.
Go for it. Yeah, just build the revs up. Nice, Alex, come on. When you come around this time, change direction and go on the other one. So keep around you, keep around you. No, wrong angle. Alright, so do that again, but come almost like you're going to do a full loop, then you change direction. It's easier for the car. Alright, so ready? Do it again, dude. That was brilliant. That's it. Keep going all the way around. Turn to you, turn to you, turn to you, turn to you. Now this way. Slightly missed it. Alright, jump out a second. I'll show you how to do it, and then you'll be able to do it. Alright. Everyone does it, because when you're trying to concentrate on the steering, your foot naturally goes heavy.
Yeah, it just keeps going.
Yeah, it does, it just goes heavy. So if you come out of that a little bit, you'll find you'll get grip back, which will make it easier for you. Okay. Alright? If you'd have turned in a bit faster, you'd have got it. And on one of the other ones, you were a little bit rigid when you went to let go of the steering wheel, so you didn't let it go enough, so you came through on a little bit of a diagonal. See, and you can see, because you start tensing up a little bit, if you just try and stay relaxed the whole time, the easier it is. I know that's hard, I know it's hard. Alright, whenever you're ready, build the revs up. Be a little bit quicker. Back them up, you can do it once it's moving. Turn this way, then turn that way. You're not... Well, because you were on a diagonal then as well. Sometimes where you're so close to the cone, you're not giving yourself enough room. Yeah, exactly. Just see them as a guide. Like I said to you before, imagine there's an invisible force field around them. Everyone does it. They think, oh, I've got to be on it, I've got to have a bumper on it.
It's because I'm staring at it, so I'm automatically drawn towards it.
Yeah, and that's the other thing. I mean, you're going to need that to learn to not do that in later stages, because if you do, where I've set up for later on, when I set up for us to initiate, if you initiate right on those cones, you're not going to make it the rest of the corner, because you won't have enough room, so you have to make sure you're further out before you initiate. But that will come later on down the line. All right. You need to turn in, alright? Nice.
It looks easy watching it.
Yeah, doing it, having to concentrate on it as well. Thank you! Nice! We got
That's
some
a smoky,
stinky
yeah.
smoke.
So I still just do it again, but
Your
just round
tire's
one.
going to go in a minute, just carry on, just have a little mess about 5 minutes, Alex. Go on, just have a little dig about.
Well, there we have it. That was our first drift day. That was absolutely insane. So much fun. Just fat boy eating over it. but yeah, I've done so much more than what I thought I would. And Jules, that was teaching me, she told me that I was going really well, and she literally threw me in at the deep end with loads of stuff, and she was pretty impressed with what I was doing. So I'm pretty sure it was the same with you, because it was just.
It's pretty fun. It's really, really good.
But yeah,
getting used to it is hard.
Yeah, that's
but once
it.
you feel the car, when you feel where the point of where you can balance it,
Yeah,
everything just kind of transitions.
oh, it's a lot of it is just practice. Like I'm probably gonna end up doing lots of drift days soon just to get some more seat time, because I've got like all the basics down now. It's just sort of linkages and everything. So
Just making it look good.
yeah.
Linking things and.
Yeah, so definitely subscribe, because there's going to be so much more drift stuff coming soon, because it is insanely addictive. I just want to, I didn't even want to stop. 3 hours isn't enough.
No, it's not.
But I just want to sort of keep going. And obviously the favourite highlight of all of today was popping my first tyre. So I'll probably overlay the footage either from where the GoPro was, so I've got a couple of photos and all that. But yeah,
Still usable.
yeah, well, I've got the tyre in the boot. I'm taking it home, keeping it as a sort of souvenir as my first drift day and my first pop tyre. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave it a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, as plenty more videos to come. Cheers.